Welcome to the Daily Jing for Wednesday, August 28th. It's the 50th anniversary of the March on Washington. You should watch some of the festivities today, the speeches. Last night they had a PBS special on the march, which was terrific. So today, and every day of the course, we go to the schedule. And in the schedule, you will see what is due today, or what we're starting today. We're starting the reader analysis paper, so if you click on that, you will see the paper. It's based on doing a reader analysis of the Hofstadter essay. And then we're going to start the discussion on the essay and the view and do's. 0.0 is a how-to view and do. It gets you started on how to do these view and do's. And 0.1 is the introduction of the course. And then 0.2, you want to start next Wednesday. So the how-to view and do and the introduction view and do are due on Friday, or by Monday at 6 a.m. Every assignment that is due a particular day is due the next, in this case, Monday isn't a class day, so you can have until the following Wednesday, but you should do these rather quickly so that you can get on to writing the paper. Okay, so let's look at the discussion first of all. Okay, you find the discussion in communications. Drop down a little bit, click on this, go to discussions, and with these first few readings that we're going to do them in text, but you should read this. You know, this is the protocols for doing the discussions. Okay, and then you go down here, and this is the first discussion, but we're not discussing it in this forum. We're discussing it in the essay itself, which I posted in Google Docs. So you go to this particular page, and here's the essay. And what I would like you to do is to read through it and comment on it. The way you do that is you select some portion of it, and then you go up to Insert, and you hit Comment, and a little comment box will appear in the margin, and you will be able to write your comment there. So you need to do at least one of these comments of your own, and then you need to reply to someone else's comments, and make sure that you look at the protocols here to make sure that you're doing the kinds of comments that the course asks you to do. Okay? Now let's talk briefly about the view and do's. The view and do's can be found in resources, in content. Okay, so this is what you'll look for when you go into content. Make sure that you've done that you've listened to the Start Here page and that you've done the first assignment. Okay, this is the description of place. If you click on that, an assignment sheet will come up, and there will be a description of the assignment and also how to post it to Google Docs. This is the assignment template that I want you to use for each of the writing papers, and here are the view and do's. Here are the view and do's. This is the link to all the course papers. They're also linked into the schedule, but here's the view and do. The first one is an introduction to the view and do. That's 0.0. So if you click on that, you'll see this table of contents for the first two view and do's, the how-to and the course intro. Click on the how-to and listen to my screencast video here, and read through this, and then click on these instructions on how to post your first view and do, and how to post all the rest of them too. Okay, so you go to the locker and you do new file, and then you create a dummy file. And the dummy file could be named just this. I have Winter 13 because I made this particular set of screens in winter, but for this one you would say fall 13. Okay, and then you would hit create, and then you would go to the Dropbox folder here and select that and follow the rest of the instructions here. It's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, I don't want to take up time talking about this right now. Just know that you need to have the dummy file in order to post the view and do's, because I want you to post your responses into the comment box. Okay, so please go through this and make sure that you follow the instructions. Okay, so the question of the day is, how do I find the view and do that instructs me on how to do the view and do's? So you go to Resource and Content, and you click on Intro View and Do's here, and then you click on that particular one. Okay? All right, thanks. Bye. See you Friday.